Been meaning to make a video about this for a while. It's one of my favorite basic alarm clocks. It's a General Electric. It's actually a deluxe alarm because it's got the styling, the gold hands, and the nice wood grain trim, and the like the deluxe back plate and stuff. You can tell it's a GE one way, just because it says GE on the front, but it also has their teal second hand. I'm not sure if this one has the Telecron motor in it too, because at one point GE was putting them into their clocks as well. See the face. It's a little scratched up, you can tell that right in the center. It's probably somebody threw this in a drawer years ago. I got this one years ago too. I used this all through high school as a clock. The side's got a very nice wood grain finish on there. Date this about the late 1960s, 67, 68, 69, somewhere around there. I know I have the model sticker, but it's not with the clock right now. I paid $3 for that years ago. Show you what the alarm sounds like. And the snooze also does work, but it's very loud. Electromechanical buzzer. And that is the late 60s General Electric basic alarm clock.